Namaste and welcome to day 17. This is your 30-day journey, and today we're exploring a small, beautiful, ancient flow. Well, this practice is the practice of worshipping Surya Devata, sun salutation. Yes, we'll be exploring it eventually, so don't worry, I'm going to take you step by step and then we'll flow together in it. The practice is about not giving up, so do not give up on me in between. Yes, be here because I believe in you. You can do this, okay? Sit up nice and tall, close your eyes, relax your shoulders, relax your chest. Staying here with yourself. Join your palms at heart center and let's chant one beautiful Om sound together. Inhale. Om. Om. Gently relax your hands. The ritual of having a beautiful intention. Think about that intention and then just let that intention be a part of your breath. Breathe that intention throughout. Slowly open your eyes. Lovely. Let's get started by coming up to standing. We're standing here on the top of the mat, front of your mat, and you'll just take some time to just ground yourself here first. So legs hip width apart, palms open, head up, and breathe. Slowly get your legs together, get your hands on your waist, and we'll just roll the ankles. So take the knees front, take the knees back. It's a big circle from the knees. It's important for our joints to feel welcome before we enter into anything, and reverse. This is our way of respecting our body. Yes, and release. Interlock your palms above your head, lift up, arch, exhale, release. Inhale, lift up, arch, exhale, release. Inhale, lift up, arch, exhale, release. Inhale, lift up, arch, exhale, release. This is lovely. Relax your hands. From here, we'll just take the right leg back, step your right leg, and open it. Roll the shoulders back, lift up. If you want, you can drop your heels down or keep it off the floor. And slowly step it back front. We'll take the left leg back, keep the heels lifted, keep rolling the shoulders back, chest up, and slowly release back down. Going back again, take the right leg back, roll the shoulders back, and come back front. Going for the left leg back, keep the heels off, take the elbows back and front. From here, we'll just slowly bend the knees and sit back on the hips. Sit back on the hips, stay here, and slowly take your arms up. Find your chair, strong legs, and release. Again, bend the knees, find your chair, strong legs, and release. We'll take the arms from the front, going up, join your palms, look up, arch your back a little bit, not too much, and exhale slowly, move to the front, drop your palms down, bend your knees, soften your head. Again, from here, just take your palms from the front, going up, arch, arch, arch. Exhale, slowly lower, bend your knees, release the neck. Inhale, take your palms all the way up, arch. Exhale, slowly lower, release the head. Inhale, take your palms all the way up, arch. Exhale, slowly lower, release the leg. Release the neck, keep your knees soft. From here, slowly step your right leg back, right knee down, look up. Slowly come back from where you started. Step your left leg back, left knee down, breathe. Exhale. Right leg. Exhale. Left leg. Back. Lovely. Stay here. Now step your right leg back, right knee down, and take your left leg also back on your knees. We lift up both the knees going into downward dog. And then you drop the knees, watch me. Drop the knees, drop the chest, drop the forehead, and then slide ahead to come up. Do it. Come along. I'll wait for you here. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, push back. Beautiful. Again, doing the same thing. Drop the knee, drop the chest, drop the forehead, slide ahead, roll up. Exhale, downward dog. Amazing. Again, drop the knee, drop the chest, drop the forehead, slide ahead, roll up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Beautiful. Stay here. Slowly take your right leg ahead between the palms. Left knee down, look up. Exhale, bend forward. Release the head. Inhale, arms all the way up. And exhale, join your palms and then relax. Wow, that's amazing. We've already done a Surya Namaskar beautifully. Now let's stitch it all together. Inhale, join your palms. Exhale here. Inhale, take your arms up to the universe. Exhale, slowly release down, relax the head. Inhale, step your right leg back, right knee down, look up. Hold your breath, go into downward dog. Slowly drop your knees, drop your chest, drop your forehead. Slide ahead, roll back, lift up. Bhujangasana. Slow exhalation, pushing back into downward dog. Inhale, step the right leg between the palms. You started with the right, you end with the right. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, join your palms and relax the hands. Beautiful. That was one side. Let's go for the other. Exhale, join your palms. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, left leg back, left knee down. Look up. Hold your breath, downward dog. Slowly drop the knee, drop the chest, drop the forehead. Sliding ahead. Inhale. Bhujangasana, don't take your shoulders towards the ears. Keep them down. Exhale. Inhale, take the left leg ahead between the palms, left knee down. Look up. Exhale. Inhale, arms all the way up. Release. Let's do one more cycle. Exhale, join your palms. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, step the right leg back, right knee down, look up. Exhale, hold your breath. Bhujang, downward facing dog. Dropping the knees, dropping the chest, dropping the forehead. Slide ahead to come up into Bhujangasana. Exhale, push back to downward facing dog. Parvatasana. Inhale, step the right leg ahead between the palms, left knee down, look up. Exhale, bend forward, release the head. Inhale, take your arms all the way up. Exhale, join your palms. Release the hands. Exhale, join your palms. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, left leg back, left knee down, look up. Hold your breath. Parvatasana. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead. Inhale, slide and up. Exhale, back. Inhale, step the left leg ahead between the palms. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, join your palms. Release the hands. Breathe. We'll do 2 more rounds, left and right, left and right. But now we'll go a little more faster pace. You can choose to slow down at your own pace. All right, let's get started. Exhale, join your palms. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, right leg. Hold your breath. Going back. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Right leg ahead. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, join your palms. Exhale. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, left leg back, left knee down, look up. Hold your breath. Up the knees, chest, forehead. Slide. Exhale, push back, Parvatasana. Inhale, left leg ahead, left knee down, look up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, join your palms. Release. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right. Hold breath. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, back. Inhale, right leg. Exhale. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, join. Exhale, last side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Going down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left leg. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Relax and just let your body come back to its natural pace. Take a moment to just settle into your breath. Sit down comfortably. Block your right nostril with your right thumb in Vishnu Mudra, left hand in Jnana Mudra. Inhale. Switch the nostril, exhale. Inhale. Switch the nostril, exhale. Inhale. Switch the nostril, exhale. Switch. Continue. Just relax your hands. Stay with yourself. Gently lie down for your relaxation and have a lovely day ahead. Thank you.